What's up, YouTube? It's DReed and I'm back with another unboxing. Today we're going to take a look at a pickup that I got off of the Adidas site that's pretty debatable. You know, some people feel like it was a must-have and others feel like it was a definite pass. Before we get into this unboxing, I have to say, make sure you hit that like button and feel free to drop a comment. Without further ado, let's get to it. Right now, a lot of stores are on delayed shipping. I picked up some things from Foot Locker and it says, 5 to 6 business days, but it took over 24 hours to even receive my confirmation email. And I still have not received any emails stating that the items have been shipped. And this was on Saturday. So I don't really know when to expect those items. But I can say I picked up this item last week as well, and it came in fairly quick. So Adidas does not have a hold or a delay on their shipping. So at this point, I pretty much would say they are the MVP, right? Okay, so we have a nice little box here. As you can see, there's no boost on there. So yes, it is the Yeezy Slide. Official colorway is bone, bone, bone. And I did go for a size 8 in this. I'm usually in Yeezys either a 7.5 or an 8, so I was unsure, and obviously they didn't have half sizes, so I just went for the 8. Hopefully it works out well for me. This was actually the second release of these. The first time around, they sold out so fast that I wasn't able to get my hands on a pair, and I didn't really know, or I didn't really feel as if they were worth paying more than $55 for. So when they came back out, I was absolutely sure that I was gonna cop a pair. Let's open up this box and see what we have. Hey, you have the usual tissue paper. Okay. So inside, it looks like a size tag is in there, just telling you the size and obviously the name of the release. Let's get this box out the way. So straight out the box, the couple things that I noticed is the size tag that's here on the inside of the slide. Give you a quick look there. And then on the other side, it just says Yeezy, and then it also tells your size again, and then it says made in China. And then on the heel, you have the Adidas sign. See there. I do like the design of the ridges on the bottom. I think that gives it a little more detail. In my opinion, this is more of a sleek, stylish slide. It's definitely a step up from your typical Nike slide or Adidas slide that's, in my opinion, meant more for wear with athletic gear. You know, it's more of a casual slide. So you could do something like a button down of this sort, you know, and throw on this slide. I think it gives you more options when you're looking into something that's going to be a little more fashion forward. It was a lot of hype around the slide. I don't know how comfortable it is. That's something that I'm obviously gonna have to look into once I do the on foot. But for $55, in my opinion, it's a good casual slide that obviously has the name of one of the top designers right now in the game. After we take a on-foot look, I'll come back and let you guys know how comfortable the slide is. In the meantime, make sure you guys hit that like button as well as feel free to give me a comment. Let me know if you copped the Yeezy slide, and let me know what color you copped it in if you did, and if not, let me know why you passed on it. Also, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any reviews that I drop.
I only have a few nights in town, and the only one I want is you. It's been a while since I've been around, I know. I just wanna spend this time with you. So don't tell me you got plans. I gotta make up for this lost time and I'm late. Trying to get back to you. Running out of time, tell me it's not too late. I'm on my way. Tell me where you at so I can get you for the weekend. I know you miss me when I'm gone. I'll call you when I'm close. And you know, once I hit the highway, babe, you're my next stop. When I pull.
After putting the slide on, I would have to say that as far as how comfortable the slide is, in comparison to, let's say, a Nike slide, then it definitely is not more comfortable. Where that Adidas logo is, it's kind of a rounded sign, and you can definitely feel that underneath your heel. Once you go to slide your foot in, the sides are a little narrow, so you can definitely feel it being compressed. But outside of that, basically the $55 is for more of a, like I said before, a fashion forward slide, in addition to whose name is on it. So there you have it.
So don't tell me you got plans, babe. I gotta make up for this.